I'm Sandra and I'm from Art-tutorial. Today's tutorial is about laminating art, just like this. So if you would like to join in and make some laminating art, you are going to need some equipment on this list. You are going to need a laminating sheet like this. You can use small or large sheets, doesn't matter. And you're going to need the machine ready. So for these, all of the process is the same. So first you're going to need to choose a theme. So you can copy a photograph, you can copy a drawing. Got examples too here. This one. This is Ramsgate. Photograph of a house. So for me today, just as an example, I'm going to use a drawing. So let's pop you over there. So really important that you open it up because you're going to colour on the inside. But first, we've got to stick the picture on, and it goes on the back, like so. I'll get a little bit more. That's it, and then turn it around. Now we've got to roll the front up, like so. Great. Using pegs, some pegs to hold that there. And hold that there. Today I'm using posca pens. They're like paint pens, but you can use these Sharpies. This one work with Sharpies, and this one is with Sharpies. This one is with these. They're great. So first you take your black pen and you draw. So put my glasses on. Pen. Okay, so you have to draw all of it black first. Then you can add your colours. Here we like to use bright colours in our work, but it doesn't matter, it's your idea, and create your colourful pictures like this. The important, when you finish colouring all of it, you've got to leave it to dry. One way quick is a hairdryer to dry it. Lots of paint. We use this a lot here at Art Club. wet, when it goes in the machine, goes in wet, it'll spit, quite possibly break the machine. I know because it happened to me before. So don't leave it to dry. And then you take off your pegs, roll it down, take off, and then put it through the machine. And when you're finished, it will look like this. So another idea for laminating is this. We call this window art hanger, and that one is colour pens. That one is paper. You can also put inside different things. So paper, or those are sequins. So how? Really easy. Got some of these shapes, cutters, pop it on, and then you draw around, take it off, colour with your Posca pen or Sharpie. Colour it in, and see if we can do this like this. Draw around. Okay. So we've got a flower colour and then a bird, and we're going to shake. Got some in here. Oh, I love this. Let me do a tap. Goes everywhere. Like that. You need to keep it flat when you put it through the machine. So again, take off the pegs. Take off your pegs. Roll down. And then let's see if we can do this. Just turn that around. And then, yes, we pull that into there. Slide it through. So when it's finished coming out of the machine, you're going to have to cut it out. Cut them out. Hole punch. Make a hole punch. Now I've used these little rings, but you can use old ribbon or shoe tie, an old one, to link it all together and hang it up. So that's the end of our laminating art part 1. Going to be making a second part using a different technique very soon. If you make any of these, please share them with me. We have a Facebook page and Instagram. I would absolutely love to see your colourful ideas using a laminating machine. Bye bye.